Hi Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 15th of March. Cancer, let us go ahead and go into your reading. Cancer, let's go. See what your messages are for today. Cancer. Oh, I was hearing something about Singapore. Someone from Singapore or something is from Singapore. Also, Germany is hosting their elections, so we don't know what they're saying over there, but good luck, bon chance. I don't think they speak French. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's go. We have the devil card. Listen, they're not voting for Hitler. Calm the fuck down. I said German. Who you think have a worse history? White people explaining, when I say slavery, you say sorry. Slavery, sorry. It's okay, white people. Who have a worse time fitting into society? White people trying to explain, listen, I'm not racist. My grandfather is. Or Germany trying to explain to the world, sir, I wasn't even born when the Hitler was here. The devil card. I'm getting something about a Capricorn. No, I'm also getting something about obsession. Someone is obsessed with you. I'm also getting something is a big trigger. It could be a name. Is there something about a name that comes from Germany? We have the tarot card. Yes, something about a name. No, there's something about a sun and a moon. I'm getting the perfect combination of masculine and feminine energy. I don't want to say that both of you are evil alike, but this is something very, very occultic. The tarot, the sun and the moon and the devil card. I'm getting something. I'm getting a spiral. Okay, I'm getting the sun and the moon. So I'm getting like an eclipse, like darkness. I'm getting something is aligned perfectly. The sun and the moon. I'm getting something about the full moon. Could be the full moon that passed. Cancer, you or somebody else did so. I'm getting your mother told you to do something on the full moon and you did it. It worked. You had the Page of Wands and then you went to bury something. The Five of Swords. The Ace of Pentacles. And we have the Justice card, yeah. Cancer. I'm getting you had a problem. I'm getting something kept, you know, like the sun and the moon. They're never beside each other. They're always the opposites. And even if they go around, they will go around in opposites. They'll never touch each other. They'll never kiss. First of all, I'm getting, all right, something will last a very long time. I don't know what this is. And the devil card is here, but I'm getting two people. I'm getting you accept somebody for all the ugliness and the evilness they are. They accept you for all the ugliness and evilness you are. The sun is what you see in the day. Somebody might be loud and might be very in the day, or them this way on an external plane. That's how they walk around, very loud. If them don't like something, them go and buy something, them very hot-head. Me getting the moon, the other person who you walk with, them not like that. Them not into the yelling, the fighting, the cussing, them will just fight you. Me getting is a perfect blending, is a perfect match of evilness. This could be one is the mastermind, one is the mastermind, one is the mechanical aspect of it. One is the brains, one carry out the activity, the sun and the moon. When the sun's sleeping, the moon is up. When the moon's sleeping, the sun is up. We're getting is you feel tired, you feel like you've been doing something all by yourself. We're getting you get justice. Getting for a very, 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 very long time. Cancer, I feel like you felt like something was wrong with you. I'm not sure if you was dating a Libra. Yeah, the Cancer. Literally the sun and the moon. Then we have the tarot, the devil. Yeah, I'm getting the perfect. What is this? We're getting like, damn man. We're getting both of y'all together is a very big. First of all, let me just say this. Both of y'all together is a big threat. Cancer. I don't know if you're dating a police officer. I don't know if one is a good one is a bad one. The sun and the moon, the devil. We're getting, first of all, two of them together is a big threat. I don't know if you know this, Cancer. So if you find out you're getting a lot of hate or a lot of toxicity behavior with you and somebody you're dating, them don't know what on the planning together. The Empress. Something about this woman. Or I'm getting something about your skin, something about your, did you lose your wife in the past? Because I'm getting, if you were ever military or somebody who was in high power, them did retaliate upon your wife or them retaliate upon your girlfriend, something like that. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. I'm not sure if you ever got justice for that. Yeah, the Two of Cups. But I'm getting you go and be with somebody else. It's like history is repeating itself again, Cancer. But I'm getting this time it different. We're getting you used to do the same thing with this woman who you thought you was going to spend your life with. I don't know, something about the situation. Cancer, I don't know, I feel like you're leaving this woman and you're going to be paired with somebody else. It's supposed to be a work person, but I feel like it's more than that. This is something way more spiritual, way more political. We're getting like politics. We're getting like international affairs. We're getting something about the passing of someone's wife, or someone and them wife is divorced and you're taking the wife's place. Let's go. Cancer. Yeah, religious. Yeah, somebody's a religious figure. We're getting something about the image of whatever this is. Maybe someone is telling you to stay away from somebody, them evil. Do not get tied. Do not get mixed up with them. Listen. We're getting twos. One, the sun and the moon. Two. Two people, the man and the woman. Two, the chariot. Two, we're getting two. Something is paired perfectly. Perfectly. Yeah, Aries. We have Scorpio. We have Mercury, that's Virgo, and that is Gemini. We have illness, and we have CIA. We're getting on appeared perfectly, perfectly. And we're getting, if you notice, you're getting a lot of hate, or exes want to come back in the picture. We're getting them don't know what tone together, apparently torn together. Them, we're getting something is something is being, I don't know, we're getting them don't like it. Or we're getting Cancer. Cancer, me hearing you saying that. Me hearing you saying you want to embarrass me. Okay. You want to embarrass me? Watch me. Look how I'm going to embarrass you. Because I'm getting... Cancer, you listening to tarot readings? Feel like he's a CIA person and yeah, listen to tarot readings. One more. Off your course. I'm going to leave it here. Bye.